Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to go into Google Classroom and to find your independent work on your computer. Go to the bottom and click on Google Chrome. It's the circle with the red, yellow, green, and blue. When you click on this, it will open up to the Elanco Gateway page. You are going to scroll halfway down the page till you find Google Classroom. You can do this by using 2 fingers and the trackpad or using the bar on the side. Google Classroom is this one in the middle with the people on the chalkboard. Click on this. This will open up to your classes that you are enrolled in on Google Classroom. You will be enrolled in the ELA orange class and the math pink class. For this assignment, I want you to go and click on our ELA class. This will open up a page that says ELA Hollenbach room 106. At the top of the page, you are going to click on Classwork. The most recent week that you are assigned will be at the top of the page. In order to find your independent work, you're going to click on the bottom that is red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. This will pull up the Google Slides that go with that independent work. Click on that. Then you are going to click on the specific colored circle that goes with the day. Red is Monday, blue is Tuesday, yellow is Wednesday, green is Thursday, orange is Friday. And this is how you will be able to find your independent work for that specific day that you are on.